Have you been diagnosed with moderate to severe central sleep apnea, or CSA? In people with CSA, there is a problem with the signals that interrupts normal breathing. Now there is life-changing relief with the remedē system, a non-mask therapy designed specifically for adults with moderate to severe central sleep apnea. The remedē system eliminates the need for a mask, hose, or other external equipment, tailors therapy to each patient through customized programming to closely resemble natural breathing while asleep, and restores a more natural breathing pattern by using the body's own breathing system. People with remedē reported enhanced well-being and reduced daytime sleepiness, enabling better overall health. Only a doctor can determine if the remedē system is right for you. In a clinical trial, remedē showed 91% freedom from serious adverse events, with the most common risk being infection. All these events were temporary and resolved without any enduring negative impact to the patient. For more information on the remedē system, including safety, or to find where remedē is offered near you, visit aboutcsa.com.